Google's prompt engineering course, 9 hours. This podcast, the core, under 9 minutes. Let's begin. This is a speed run through Google's prompt engineering essentials. You get critical frameworks and techniques for better AI prompts. First, what is prompting? Providing specific instructions to an AI tool for a desired outcome or new information. It's a skill. The rule? Garbage in, garbage out. Your prompt quality dictates output quality. We'll cover the key course modules. This is a rapid overview, a map to Google's full course. Their course is structured into 4 key parts. 1. Prompting fundamentals. 2. Everyday work tasks. 3. Data analysis and presentations. 4. AI as a creative or expert partner. We cover highlights of each. First, fundamentals. First up is Module 1, covering prompting fundamentals. This is where you'll master effective AI use. Google's core framework is TCREI, task, context, references, evaluate, iterate. The official mnemonic is thoughtfully create really excellent inputs. Here's a fun one to remember it by. Tiny crabs ride enormous iguanas. Let's examine TCREI further. Task is what the AI does. Include a persona. That's the AI's role. For example, act as an expert historian and include the format, the output style you want, like a list, a paragraph, or a table. Context is vital. More relevant detail means better output. For history, you'd specify the era, region, and your focus. References mean you provide examples. AI learns from patterns, so show it a style you prefer. Evaluate means you review the AI's output. Is it accurate and useful? And iterate means, if not, refine your prompt. Always be iterating. Prompting is rarely a single attempt. What if your prompt still isn't working? Iterate. Key Google methods include 1. Revisit TCREI. Check your context. 2. Try shorter sentences. This avoids AI confusion. 3. Use different phrasing or try asking for a similar task. That means asking for something similar but different, which can unlock new outputs. For example, instead of write a plan, try tell a story of product benefits. 4. Introduce constraints to narrow the focus. For example, don't just say plan a vacation. Instead, try plan a 3-day mid-budget city break in Paris for 1 adult in May, focused on art museums. Specificity is crucial. Master TCREI and iteration. So, Module 1's key takeaway, a structured approach using TCREI plus smart iteration equals better AI responses. Now, let's apply these fundamentals. Model 2 shows how AI handles everyday work tasks like emails, content creation, and brainstorming. The principle here is to apply TCREI. For example, when emailing staff about a schedule update, your prompt's task is to inform staff. The persona is office manager. The context is new meeting schedule, Friday, team meeting moved to 10 a.m. And the format is professional, concise. Then you can iterate. Ask the AI for a version for a different department, or perhaps a more informal tone. This applies to drafting articles, brainstorming ideas, and summarizing documents. The more specific your TCREI, the better the AI's assistance. The insight from Module 2 is that AI significantly reduces time on common written tasks with precise TCREI prompting. With work tasks covered, Module 3 explores data and presentations. Module 3 is about AI for data and presentations. A quick warning here. Exercise extreme caution with sensitive data. If you have spreadsheet issues, you can ask AI how to calculate X, or even better, provide insights on sales trends versus marketing spend from this data. AI can identify hidden patterns, then you can iterate to understand why. For presentations, AI can draft outlines, suggest slide content, and generate initial talking points from your provided document or data. The value for Module 3 is AI is a junior data assistant and presentation aid. Having looked at fundamentals, work tasks, and data, Module 4 introduces advanced AI. Module 4 details using AI as a creative or expert partner. This is where prompting becomes advanced. A key technique is prompt chaining. This isn't just iterating, it's guiding the AI through connected prompts, where each builds on the last. For example, when marketing a product, prompt 1, generate target audience profiles. Prompt 2, using these profiles, develop 3 unique selling propositions for these audiences. Prompt 3, outline a social media campaign for 1 USP. Another is chain of thought prompting. It's like a math teacher asking you to show your work. You tell the AI, explain your reasoning step by step. This helps you understand its logic. Then there are AI agents. These are custom AI personas for specific complex tasks. An example is Agent Sim, used for simulations, like practicing a sales pitch. You define the AI's persona, perhaps tough prospect. Its task, listen to pitch, ask hard questions. And a stop phrase like end simulation to get feedback. Creating agents involves these steps. Assign persona, give context, specify interactions, provide a stop phrase, and ask for a feedback summary. A pro tip: if you're ever stuck for a good prompt, ask the AI to help you create a better one. This is called meta prompting. The core of Module 4 is that advanced prompting makes AI a dynamic collaborator and personalized expert. A critical point on generative AI use. Google stresses that AI can hallucinate, create false information, and reflect human biases. Your role? Always critically check outputs. Be the human in the loop, actively reviewing and correcting. Accuracy is ultimately your responsibility. And that's the essence of Google's 9-hour course, highly condensed. To help cement this, here are 2 quick reflection questions. First, what are the 5 letters of Google's core prompting framework? TCREI. Second, what's one advanced technique from Module 4 for guiding AI through connected prompts? Ponder those. Remember, your ability to ask good questions directly impacts your AI results. Equipping you for that is our goal beyond this podcast. Congratulations, you've absorbed the essence of prompt engineering. Want to unlock the power of AI? Our free newsletter gives you the tips, trends, AI news, and tools you need to succeed. Sign up with the link in the description below. Your journey doesn't stop here. Watch our next video right here and keep building your knowledge.